Another application of uniform circular motion is well of death. It is also called as मौत का कुआं. Well of death is a vertical cylindrical wall of radius r, inside which a vehicle is driven in horizontal circles. As shown in the figure, let us understand the forces acting on the vehicle which is performing the motion along the circumference of the circle in horizontal plane. Let us understand the forces acting on the vehicle. As the vehicle is performing circular motion, centripetal force is necessary to perform circular motion, which is provided by the normal reaction N, which is directed towards the center and perpendicular to the wall of the cylindrical drum. Therefore, N, that is normal reaction, will provide the necessary centripetal force. We have an equation N is equal to mr omega square or mv square divided by r. Let us understand the other forces. The vehicle is performing circular motion in the horizontal direction. There is no motion of the vehicle along the vertical plane. The vehicle is not either moving up or down. It is moving along the horizontal plane. Therefore, as the vehicle does not have any motion along the vertical direction, therefore Fs is the frictional force between the tires of the vehicle and the wall, which is directed in the vertically upward direction, while the weight of the vehicle is directed in the downward direction. As there is no motion along the vertical axis, therefore these two forces will balance each other, hence the resultant force is 0. Therefore we can write frictional force is equal to mg. We know that coefficient of static friction is the ratio of force of friction to the normal reaction. Therefore, we can write Fs is equal to mu s into n. This force of static friction is always less than or equal to the product mu s into n. Let us substitute the value of Fs as mg and the value of normal reaction as mv square upon r, or you can also substitute mr omega square. We will get an equation mg is less than or equal to mu s, substituting the value of n as mv square divided by r. M will get cancelled from both the sides, hence we will get an equation as mu s v square divided by r. Now we want an equation for the minimum velocity with which the vehicle can move along the horizontal circle inside the drum. Therefore, we can write an equation as when the velocity will become minimum, then what will be the magnitude of the velocity. Therefore, we can write an equation v square is equal to rg divided by mu s. Therefore, v minimum we can write an equation under root rg divided by mu s. I have to remove this square. So the magnitude of the minimum velocity with which the vehicle will move along the horizontal circle again and again without slipping in the downward direction is equal to under root rg divided by mu s.